Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to show you how you can set any page to be your home page. So, by default, Drupal likes to have your home page just be this where your articles or anything are sort of pushed to the front page whenever you click promoted to the front page, and it has like a teaser, almost like in a blog format. And so you're probably wondering how you can get rid of that, because if we turn this Perpetua website, logo design, whatever, if we turn this piece of content off, it's going to say there's no published content on your page, click here to add some, and you don't necessarily always want that. So let's say you want to just make your own page and have that be your home page. Well, fortunately, that's really easy to do. So we're going to go to add content, and we're going to click on basic page, and we're going to make a page, and we're going to call this home. And in the body text, we're going to leave this blank because I actually don't want to have anything here. We don't need to provide a menu link because the home menu link that we already have is going to work. No revision, okay. Yeah, so we want this to be its automatic path is just going to set it to be home. All this other stuff should be fine, and we're going to leave it published and click save. Okay, so now we have this page that's dash home. So if we go to configuration, under site information, it's going to ask you for a default front page. If I paste this in here and just use the URL name for our page, which you remember was /home, this is now going to be our default front page. So let's click save. Okay, and this is, by the way, this is just telling me I have some modules that need to be updated. In a couple lessons, I'll show you how to update some modules. Okay, so as you can see, now our home page is this home page about projects, about home. Perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. And so now this is going to allow us some greater control. Let's say once we get into things like views, which is a module to display content, we can create views to display various bits of content on this page. We can do things and just totally have control over what this page looks like instead of using Drupal's defaults. Alright, once again, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and thanks for watching. Feel free to let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Leave a comment, hit us up at Twitter, just let us know what you're thinking. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.